In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock and unlock objects in Draw.io. We'll start by opening Draw.io in your web browser. If you already have a diagram, go ahead and load it. If not, a blank canvas will work just fine for practice. Draw.io, also known as diagrams.net, is a visual editor for building flowcharts, wireframes, and diagrams, and the lock feature is a simple way to protect parts of your layout from accidental changes. Once you're in, click an object on the canvas to select it. This could be a shape, a text box, or an image you've placed. You'll know it's selected when you see the small handles appear around its edges. Selection is important because the next action will apply specifically to whatever is selected. If clicking doesn't seem to select the thing you expect, try clicking its outline or center area until those handles show up. With the object selected, right-click to open the context menu, then choose Lock. That's it. The object is now locked in place. A locked object won't move when you drag it, and you won't be able to resize or rotate it by accident. This is especially helpful for background elements, headers, or carefully aligned components you don't want to nudge while wiring up connectors. To confirm it worked, try dragging the object. It should stay put while other unlocked items still move normally. When you're ready to make changes again, simply right-click the same object and choose Unlock. The lock option acts like a toggle, so you use the same menu to switch it off. After unlocking, you can move, resize, or edit the object as usual. If the menu doesn't show the option you expect, make sure the correct object is selected before opening the menu, or click away and reselect to refresh the context. A couple of quick tips to keep your workflow smooth. If your mouse or trackpad doesn't have a traditional right click, use a two-finger click or a control click to bring up the same menu. Also, locking is great when you're collaborating or refining a dense diagram because it reduces accidental drags and keeps your layout consistent while you focus on content. And that's all you need. Open Draw.io, click an object to select it, right-click to lock it, and right-click again to unlock it when you need to edit. Use this simple toggle to keep your diagrams clean, stable, and easy to manage as they grow. Thanks for watching, and happy diagramming.